Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make simple but beautiful wall hangings using foam board. So I start off by sketching a picture of a leaf and cut it out. If you don't know how to draw, you can always print a sketch of a leaf online and trace it out on the foam board. I then cut out strips from a piece of foam board and glue it at the center of the leaf. To make it look more realistic, I used a glue gun to create the veins of a leaf. If you're new here, karibu sana and welcome to this channel. Here I share how to revamp our homes on a budget. So if that's your kind of content, please remember to subscribe, like, and also leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about my creations. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. Thank you for letting me and making me hit the milestone of 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate you, and I just pray that God continues blessing you as you continue watching my videos, and let us continue growing. So after making them all, I went ahead and spray painted them gold. So the next thing I did was making the frames of my wall hangings. So I used foam board and covered them with black vinyl paper. So after finishing, I glued the leaves on the frames with my hot glue gun, and as you can see, the frame has to be a bit smaller so that the leaf can overlap. I also used this 1 centimeter foam boards to make thinner frames. So here I'm just covering this foam board with a gray vinyl for a different design. I then glued on the thin frame and the leaf, and this is how they look. This is how they all turned out. I love it. Simple to make and you don't need a lot of items. I hung them using a double-sided tape on the wall. You can do so many different arrangements with this. Please let me know in the comment section below which of the two designs you like, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And until my next video, as always, God bless.